Say hello. Say hello to everybody. Are you on camera? Are you on the camera? Say I'm on camera. Yes, I am. Say hello. Say, what is that?
Hi, baby Zach. Daddy loves you.
That's Daddy. Can you say hi to Daddy? Can you say hi to Daddy? Come on, we'll sit you up. Ready? Oh, yes, be a big boy. Say, whoa, who is this? This is Mommy. You say hi? You were just talking a minute ago so much. Yes, thank you. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, little burpees. Oh, little burpees. Okay. Oh, lie back down. No? What? What? What you want to do? What you want to do? What you want to do?
Hi, baby Zach. Give Daddy smiles. Smiles.
Zachary. Zachary. Yeah. Yes. You were just talking a lot. Do you want to talk some more? What you want to say? Do you want to go on your tummy? Want to try some tummy time? Yes. Or do you want to stand up? Oh, you want to help stand? Oh. Yes. Let's go on the stomach. Ready? We'll come toward the camera.
Hi, Zachary.
This bed's so soft. Say, boy, I get stuck in this bed. Stop. Say hello. No? Hi, sweetness. Hi, my little sweetness. Whoa, you're working your abdominals there, huh? Yes, you like to do that. Oh. Yes. 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 Oh, look at you rolling over. Mommy helped her roll with that one. Oh, bless you. Is that it? What you doing? Trying to put the hand in the mouth? Did Daddy get how big you are? Did you see all of him?
Ah, look how big baby Zach is. Big boys. Give Daddy smiles.
Big boy's 11 weeks old.
Oh.
I don't want him to get wet where he's icky. Zachary. Baby Zach.
Oh, smiles for Daddy.
You're talking. You're talking.
What you saying? Zachary. What you doing, babies?
Zachary. Say hello. Say I'm a happy camper. I love my life.
I love you. I love you.
We love you. We love you, honey. We love you, sweetie pie. We love you. We love you.
Kisses.
Wait, you want Mommy to
Give her kisses. Oh, there it is. Kisses. Oh ho ho ho!